my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to day 3 of craftmas. Today's video, as y'all can tell by today's title, girl, I am going to be crocheting winter items I can actually use, practical pieces I can actually use. I live in Louisiana. For disclaimer, it's 30 to 40 degrees a day at this point with rain. Might not be that cold to most of y'all. These southern bones can't take that. So I need a scarf. I need some hand warmers. I started this V-stitch scarf. I was gonna just do either double crochet, half double crochet or something, but I wanted like a little design with it or a little pattern. This is how much I have so far, and I am gonna steam it 9 times out of 10. The only dilemma is this is how much yarn I have. Hopefully this is enough. If it's not enough, we just gonna have a short scarf and call it a day. Pattern will be in the description. I'm using Passionate Kelsey's pattern. I thought like, oh, like the little holes in it would bother me, but it's actually kind of cute. It looks like a actual, I don't know, it look mesh, but it don't look mesh at the same time. Look at the ombre. So that's project number 1. Number 2, I keep seeing like hand warmers on TikTok. It's gloomy, it's nasty, it's cold, it's rainy. You know what that means. This is perfect crochet weather. This is sit down, work on your whip. And yeah, nonetheless, I'm ready to start crocheting. I already started crocheting the scarf. It's working up pretty fast. I started it yesterday evening and I'm on a roll, baby. Another thing, before we get into today's video, y'all already know the drill. Let's go ahead and do a what? Craft Bestie roll call. If you are a returning Craft Bestie, put a pink heart, and if you're a new Craft Bestie, put a yellow heart. And hey girl, I'll have the pattern in the description. I like how the pattern was kind of like, okay, use what you have and use whatever hook you have, use whatever yarn you have, and this the pattern. And then at the end of the day, just crochet until you don't have no more yarn, or until you reach your desired length. That's literally what she said. So I'm like, yes, I love that. Out of all my years of crocheting, this is my first ever scarf. So since this was my first scarf, I'm like, girl, I don't want to just do a double crochet, half double crochet. Like, I don't want to just do that. Let me try to, you know, look for something that wouldn't be like too out of my comfort zone. But I'm getting tired of the same stitches, so I'm about to be on myself way more this month. I just filmed a video with a yarn haul and showing y'all my project plans. And for some of my project plans, I'm going to find videos that have different stitches. Like, okay, use a bobble stitch, girl. Use a something, like use a different stitch. I just be so comfortable. And I think it's another thing about it, I like to effortlessly crochet. So like, with that being said, into like, okay, let me try to freehand it so I don't have to watch no tutorial while I'm crocheting. But at the end of the day, you could be learning a new stitch while you doing your project, you know. Girl, open them doors to learn some new stuff. This is what it's looking like. I know the ombre is not really like in the exact places as it should be, but you know, sometimes you just gotta deal with it. It ain't even that deep. As long as I got something to cover my neck. I'm thinking about adding some tassels to it. I feel like that'd be cute. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna have to see once I'm done with my yarn. If I do the tassels, I wouldn't want like a lot, so I'm pretty sure I could get away with it. I feel like I didn't talk enough, so I'm going to sit here and work on this for a second or two. Craft Bestie, let it be your sign, bestie. Crochet you some staples that you can have in your wardrobe or your stash, or something that you can actually use like for the winter time or just for the colder months. Make sure y'all making some practical stuff for winter. Okay, girl, so I'm about to go non-verbal. One thing I will say that I really do like about making this scarf, it work up so fast. And not only does it work up fast, like it's a cute design. So this really is motivating me, like, girl, take the 5-10 minutes to watch a video and learn a new stitch, because like the subtle, it's so subtle yet so just look like real like fancy looking, and then it's not even really taking that long. So that's what I like. I feel like every second I'm turning it. I'm a chronic steamer. Like I be wanting to steam the project as I'm working on it, because I just be needing to know, like, I just want to know how big it really is, like how much it's gonna stretch out. If I had another skein of this yarn, I definitely would be doing a set, a scarf and hand warmer set. This is what we have so far. Let's keep working. We doing good. We feeling tea. Make y'all a scarf so we can match. Do it in the same color too, so we can all look like minions. Hey my loves, it's a few days later, new hair, just a little blowout braid out, girl. Y'all know I love fluffy hair. So came to update y'all, still working on a scarf. Had a very long weekend. This is what it's looking like so far. This is all the yarn I have left. I'm not gonna buy any more yarn. I don't know why I didn't get 2 skeins of this yarn, but it's okay, because this won't be my only scarf I'm making for this season, so it's okay. I wanted to let y'all know, I decided I kind of want my gloves to match my scarf, or my hand warmers or whatever. I want them to match my scarf. And y'all, it was so cold this weekend. I wish I would have had my scarf. I wish I would have had my hand warmers, like, girl. So I'm probably gonna do my hand warmers in this color. This was like a big twist, I think. Girl, I bought this years ago. Like the perfect texture for hand warmers. I wanna, you know, at least finish my scarf today and start working on my hand warmers if possible. I'm thinking maybe I could do my tassels in this color because it somewhat matches. I don't know, girl, we'll see. Girl, it's safe to say I think I'm obsessed with the V-stitch. These are my compression gloves. Y'all be asking every other time I wear these what brand these is. This is the Copper Fit. I don't know, girl. It's Copper Fit, and they have copper in them, I guess. I don't know. They compression gloves. I got them in the workout section. You could get them at like CVS or something, or Walmart. I don't know, girl. Search up Copper Fit compression gloves. Like I was saying, I think I'm obsessed with this V-stitch. It's something about it. I love how it look. I had made my dad a cuffie, and I did a V-stitch. I did not take any pictures of that. That's what I be saying. I love randomly making family stuff. Like, he asked me, he was like, you got some camo? You got something camo? I was like, I got some camo scrap yarn. You want a beanie? And I made it in like 30 minutes, girl. 30-45 minutes. Let him tell it I made it in 10. I really like this stitch, and I want to see it. I know it'll be tea with like a pattern color, like not an ombre yarn, but like you pick 2-3 colors and you doing like a pattern. I just know that'll be tea. But working on this scarf has been pretty fun. A scarf workup's real easy. I haven't filmed in a few days, and I just been wanting to yap. And it's starting to show me I really am obsessed with my hobby. Like, if it's nothing craft related that we're talking about, it's getting to a point where I don't want to talk. Like, I will be nonverbal, because like the crafty cousin or something. So like, that's all I be knowing to talk about. Like, I don't have any, like, you know, like real tea to give. I could just tell you what my current whip is. Like, you want to know that? You want to know what yarn I just bought? Like, you want to know what hobby I'm finna get into? It brought me to the idea that I genuinely need a craft group in Louisiana. My library has a local one, but I want to be in one with like people my age, you know, crafters my age and stuff. So like, if you in Louisiana, text me, because I need some local craft besties. Like, I don't know if I gotta make the group or what. I don't know how to do none of that. Like, I kind of just want to show up. But if I have to make the group, I will. Because I just be wanting to craft, or just like, you know, have my local community. I feel like that's what I'm missing. Even if it's one person, I need my own one local crochet bestie. If you in Louisiana, I know that TikTok, I wish I can get a free bag of chips. That's how I be feeling. Like, on my online mutuals, they be setting up crafting events and stuff, like crafting meetups and stuff at cute coffee shops. I need that. I need that. Like, let's work on our projects and have like girl talk. I really like how this ombre is working up. It has more red coming in soon, so that's why I said I could probably get away with using that wine color. I just feel like it's such a blessing to know how to crochet and be able to even like crochet you a beanie when it get cold, or crochet you a scarf, crochet you some mitts, some hand warmers. Like, that is such a blessing. Girl, I was looking in the store at beanie prices and stuff, and I was like, I can make that at home. Because I was finna buy some gloves the other day, and I was just like, I'm already finna crochet me some hand warmers. Like, we got the yarn at home. I'm so excited to be a scarf girly. Like, this is my first time crocheting a scarf. I'm starting my other winter whips this week, and I'm just so excited. And I got orders to do. Like, boo, I got stuff to do. That's why I'm trying to finish this scarf today. Y'all ever be sitting down crocheting and like recording yourself crochet, and then once you done you go back and watch the footage and you be like, my crochet face is ugly. Like, it doesn't give welcoming. It doesn't give walk up to me, see what I'm working on. It gives like, is she being forced to crochet? Like, no, I'm not. Is y'all crochet face like serious? Like, why am I not? But then again, I feel like it's weird to be sitting here, like, it just gives weird. But like, I feel like I just be I'm overly invested in what I'm doing, to the point where like even dawning on me like, smile, or like, you know, relax your face. All right, so I'm nearing the end. How much yarn I have left, so we gonna finish it up. I'm telling y'all, this is my color. I just can't escape it. If y'all ever wonder what's my color, this. Finishing up the last few stitches. This is the scarf, pre-steamed. Really like it. We got a little wrap moment. I even could, if I really wanted to, but I'm not gonna do it with this scarf, stitch this together and it could be an infinity scarf. I be liking to do this with my scarves lately. Like, I just like a moment like that. This one not long enough for all that, but nonetheless, she's tea. She's gonna be cute with like a little one too. Into the detail, like, it looked like just like a regular mesh stitch, but when you really look up close, she's something more. Girl, prepare to be sick of me. I really like this. I love the color. I'm happy I did it this color because this is something I genuinely will wear. So now I'm about to go ahead and steam it right quick. I really like this scarf. Like, girl, my neck finna be warm. Mind you, it's not like 5 degrees out here. It's 30-40 degrees, so this is gonna do what it needs to do. So I'm gonna call you in a second. Let me get some progress going. Hey bestie, it's 12:37, calling you back. So y'all just see me steam the scarf. I'm gonna show y'all it when I feel like getting up. So I went ahead and made one hand warmer. My thought process was, okay, I got a V-stitch scarf. That means I need a V-stitch glove to match. Like, cause the colors is not the same. They cousins, not twins. I did end up doing a V-stitch glove. Like, get into the details. The color range and ombre is just, and it really didn't take that long, so it was real easy. And this is what it looks like. I'm trying to figure out why I've never made fingerless gloves. And then I like it because, like, if I got my jacket on, I could just push my sleeves down, and then like we got a cute little moment. Hands warm, neck warm, we real warm. I already went ahead and just started making the second one. It shouldn't take too long. I did 14 rows because that's what the tutorial did. The tutorial I watched real easy. It's gonna be in the description. Y'all go watch the tutorials for the scarf and the gloves so that we could be twins. So I'm on the second glove. I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm trying to decide like what else like could be my winter staple. I want to make stuff that I know for a fact I will be wearing during this season. Like, since I really like the colors of my scarf and my hand warmers, I'm feeling the vibes. These is definitely gonna be in my purse, and I'm not gonna take them out my purse. But this like a cute little throw-on scarf. I got multiple scarves on my to-do list. That's just me. Once I like something, I get it in different variables, different colors, different everything. I'm one of them. I started making the second glove, and I'm thinking to myself like, okay, what else can I make? What else should I make? What else should I add to my winter staples? You know, practical staples. And I was like, I'm just gonna ask y'all. So I'm gonna finish this glove, and then I'm gonna call it a wraps, because I do got other stuff to do, and it's craftmas season, so we real busy. We really getting stuff done. Oh my god, I just love a good practical crochet project. Like, it just warms my heart. Okay, finished the hand warmers. Real cute. Girl, then it's the bag, the size, the pattern, real detail. The V-stitch has my heart, and prepare to be sick of me with this V-stitch. I feel like I need one more thing. I don't know what my little winter 1-2 is missing, but it's missing something. So I'm gonna let y'all decide. What are y'all winter practical pieces that y'all been using, that you swear by, that X, Y, and Z that I need to crochet? Cause I've been looking on pictures and I don't see nothing I want. Not to forget, now let's mention it, these are my 2 staples for winter. So these is gonna be my 2 re-wears. Like, if I don't pick nothing else up, I'm picking these up. Like, these finna go in my purse like as we speak, because I can't trust myself to leave the house and put them on, so I'm gonna keep them in my purse so they on me on all times, if that makes sense. Okay, cool. Scarf before I leave, I steamed it. I weaved my ends in for both projects. Round of applause for that for me. Shawl, that's what I need. I need a shawl. That's what I need. To be continued. I love you, girl, and you know we go together what? Real bad kisses, kisses, kisses. I'll see you when I see you, and when I see you, you better answer that phone, girl. Bye.